Hello everybody and welcome again to Adam's Universe. Today we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. So, are you ready to learn? Stay tuned. As an English learner, one of the first things that you must do is learn how to introduce yourself in English. But the question is, how I can properly introduce myself in English? What information should I give? And what is the best order to do it? If you have ever asked all these questions, this video is definitely for you. Today, we will structure our ideas to make a homogeneous self-introduction. So are you ready? Let's get started. This method will make your ideas more structured than ever. Introducing yourself can be viewed like a circle made of 4 parts. The first part is life. This is where you talk about who you are and where you are from. The second part is profession or occupation. This is where you talk about what do you do in life. The third part is hobby. This is where you talk about your hobby and the reason why you choose it. The fourth part is dreams. This is where you describe your biggest dream about the future. Now, let's talk about each one and give more details. Part 1 is, once again, life. In this part, we usually answer the following WH questions. Who are you? Where are you from? Or where do you come from? What is your character or personality? Let's make an example. Hello, my name is Adam. I am from Morocco and I live in Rabat. I'm a very smart and hard-working person. To talk about your personality or character, you can use patient, curious, courageous, generous, optimistic, brilliant, sociable, reliable, and so on and so forth. So this is a very clear and concise way of introducing yourself for part 1. Now, let's move on to part 2. Once again, profession or occupation. In this part, we're going to answer the following questions. What do you do in your life? What's your school name? And how is it? Let's make an example. I am a student at X school. It's a very big and modern school. This is a list of some professions. Doctor, manager, artist, athlete, housekeeper, babysitter, nurse, actress, accountant, director, pilot, jurist. Those are a few examples of professions. And if you are a student, then you can say, I'm a student at university since 2017. Perfect, so let's move on to part 3. Once again, hobby. For this part, we will also select 3 of the WH questions and answer them. What is your hobby? What is the main reason for choosing that hobby? Where you usually do that hobby? So let's make an example. I really like playing tennis because I enjoy it, especially when I beat my friend. I play every weekend at the park near my house. This is a list of some hobbies traveling, cooking, reading, playing football, doing yoga, cricket, swimming, puzzles, fishing, chess, bowling, and so on and so forth. The fourth and the last part is dream. In this part, we'll answer the following questions. What is your dream? When you want to reach that dream? And why to have that dream? Okay, let's have an example. My biggest dream is to become an inventor. When I grow up, I will realize great inventions that will be very beneficial for humanity. Perfect, so that's everything for this lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like and share this video with your friends. And if this is your first time with me here, I'm glad you came. Please don't forget to subscribe so I can see you in the next videos. Give it a thumbs up. See you again soon. Bye bye.